Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the word with the suffix that is graphy. As we know that geography, pyrography, monography, there are various graphies. So let us see exactly what we have been given in the next slides. So as you can see how exactly this pyrography looks like. We will have the picturization discussions. Let us see what we have. As you can see here, initially we have the word aerography. Aero means we knew that is concerning to the air and atmosphere. The study concerning to the atmosphere is aerography. Agraphia means that is the loss of the ability to write. As you can see to the right of this figure, how exactly the loss of the ability to write, how that is being lost by the students, that is agraphia. Autobiography, we are aware that biography is the book composed about someone's life by someone. So here autobiography is self-written. So the story of one's life written by oneself. So that is autobiography. Autograph, that is written or made with one's own hand as a signature, is an autograph. Barograph, baro means we knew that atmospheric pressure is measured in bars. So that is barograph. Next we have the story of one's life written by another person, that is biography, as I had already discussed. Next, initially we have been given as cacography, that is bad handwriting. The study concerning to the bad handwriting is cacography. Calligraphy means the art of beautiful handwriting. We should know every government department has got one calligrapher who writes in a proper manner on invitation cards. That is one type of good post, grade C post. Next we have the cartography. Carto means map concerning. The art of map drawing is cartography. Chirography, the art, style or skill of handwriting is chirography. Choreography, we knew that the art of arranging dancing movements. We have the choreographer and we have Remo and all. They are the best dancer, best choreographers. Chronograph and measuring time. As you can see, it is concerning to the measuring time. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the measuring time. Chronograph is, watch is one type of chronograph way with which you can measure the time. Cosmology, that is concerning to the universe. Cosmography means the study of the structure and composition of universe is cosmography. As we can see here, it has been given as cryptography. The science of writing secret codes is one type of cryptography. Next we have, in this cryptography, normally they used to use few equipments and the coding. As you can see how exactly the cryptographic books are there where it will be directly encoded. Dactylography, the study of fingerprints. What are the biometric system fingerprints will be either regarding all those fingerprints study is dactylography. Demography, that is a study of human populations. We knew that during the census the demographic calculation be made. Dysgraphia, that is not able to write, that is eugraphia, is also known as eugraphia. Epigraph, words written on a statue, monument, buildings, that they are all concerning to the epigraphy. And the geography, the study concerning to the earth's surface is a geography. Next we have the graph. What is graph? The diagrams, drawings or pictures used for displaying numerical relationship is a graph. Grapheme, the smallest unit of a writing system as a letter, is a grapheme. As you can see how exactly the grapheme has been given. So these are the few grapheme phase, what exactly the phases of 5 charts, how exactly the sounds are. You can go through whatever has been given. Graphic, written, described or presented detail, vivid, that is a graphic. Graphics, the art of making drawings according with mathematic rulers, that is graphics. Graphology, the study of handwriting, especially for determining the writer's personality and character, is graphology. In this what happens is, whatever the study concerning to the handwriting for the determining the writer's personality and character be determined with the graphology itself. That is the one way of identifying the person's character. Next we have hagiography. Biographies written about saints is hagiography. This is one thing we have to remember, that biographies written about saints is a hagiography. Homographs, one of two or more words that are spelled the same way, the same, always differs in meaning and sometimes differs in pronunciation. So these are one thing, one or two or more words that are spelled the same, always differs in meaning. As you can see, example, practice. So these are the homographs where you will find the same pronunciation, but you will have the little bit spelling corrections. Isograph, a line on a map that shows regions with common language, is an isograph. This is one thing. And we have isobar as well, atmospheric pressure. Monograph means an article written on a single subject. As you can see to the right side of the slide, how exactly the format of monograph has been given with the name, added substance, description, solubility, identification test, assay, impurities and foreign substance, performance test, Sore's condition. This is one type of the format for the monograph, where an article written on a single subject. This is one thing you have to remember. Next we have the odograph, a device for measuring and recording distance traveled. Is an odograph, that is for the we have in your vehicles, that is odograph you will find in the vehicles, how the speed measurement be, as well as the whatever the distance is traveled you will find in the vehicle. Orography, the study of mountains. As you can see, oro means stones, so that study of the mountains is orography. Orthography, the study of correct spellings, is one type of an orthography. Photography, we should remember that how exactly the science, art and practice of creating durable images by recording light or other electromagnetic radiation, either electronically by means of an image sensor or chemically by means of a light sensitive material such as photographic films. So this is one type of practice of taking and processing photographs, is a photography. Polygraph, a recording changes in various body functions as respiration, heart rate, blood pressure, etc. It's a lie detector. We knew that this is the one test to identify whether the criminal is telling the truth or lies, that can be easily figured out with the help of polygraph. We have here pyrography. Pyro means the art of making design with a heated tool as an wood. As you can see how exactly that heated to the right side, how exactly that heated one will be used for the design on the wood. Seismograph, a measuring and recording the magnitude and duration of the earthquakes. So this is one thing, seismograph as well as Richter scale for the measuring of intensity of earthquake be measured. So this is one thing you have to remember, which is very important. Stenography, a method of writing rapidly or shorthand writing. We knew that there are various posts for the SSC stenographic post. That is, they knew about how to write the shorthand as well as how to type. Telegraph, a device for sending coded messages to distant location. That is a device where you will find if you want to transfer some messages to the distance location, this telegraph is used. As you can see, Morse code and all, these are all one type of telegraph system. Thermograph, thermo means heat, and a graphically recording variations in temperature is a thermograph. As you can see, it is very easy to remember. Thermo means heat, temperature. Next we have topography. Topography means the descriptive study of a particular place or region, and I request you guys to have a look. Topo means the descriptive study of a particular place. It's a place actually. Topo means place. So the descriptive study of a particular place or region is a topography. Xerography means, Xerox means, we knew that how exactly Xerox machine works. A dry photography process by Xerox machine, how exactly the Xeroxing be done. Xylography, the art of engraving on wood, is one type of xylography. We have the geography, the descriptive study of animals, is a geography. So this is one thing we have to remember. Xylo means engraving on wood. So these are the few things which I had gone through this. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends, where you will find 800 plus question paper for various examinations. So we'll be having the live sessions in future. No worry, please have a look. I request you guys to share it to your friends. Let them also be benefited. If you want a 2100 PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on 7666 730 252. Thank you guys. I hope this session will help you a lot. We will have the live session in future also. That will be very easy for you to understand and to be consistent in the class. Thank you.